Hi, this is Edgardo Capillani's channel. Today we are going to tackle pertaining to Pag-ibig Fund MP2 saving programs. We have Pag-ibig MP2 savings program defined. It is defined that MP2 savings program is a voluntary savings program for members who wish to save more and earn higher dividends. That is the definition of Pag-ibig Impito Savings Program. And then, under the Impito Savings Program, who are qualified to save? Number 1, active Pag-ibig Fund members. Number 2, former Pag-ibig Fund members with source of monthly income and with at least an equivalent of 24 monthly savings or contributions. And number 3, former Pag-ibig Fund members who are pensioners already and regardless of age. Then we go to minimum amount and the limit of savings under the MP2. Number 1, the minimum MP2 savings is 500 pesos. Number 2, there is no limit. You can save as much as you want under the MP2 savings program. In the event that you wish to save an amount exceeding 500,000 pesos, you would have to remit the amount via personal or manager's check. Then, we may ask how to save in the Pag-ibig MP2 savings program. There are two possible answer of this question. Number 1, you may regularly save a minimum amount of 500 pesos. I will repeat. You may regularly save a minimum amount of 500 pesos in your MP2 savings. And number 2, you may also opt for a one-time savings. That is, you can save in the Pag-ibig Impeto Saving Program through a monthly saving of 500 pesos or at one-time savings. So there are two forms in order to save a certain amount in the Pag-ibig Impeto Savings Program. And number 5, how to enroll in the Pag-ibig Impeto Saving Program. To enroll in the Impeto Saving Program, number 1, simply submit your duly accomplished Impeto Savings application form at your nearest Pag-ibig Fund branch along with the following. Number 1, valid identification card. Number 2, passbook or ATM card of your nominated bank account. And then the second one, let us say, step or the things that you are going to do to enroll in the Pag-ibig Impeto Saving Program is that you may download the Impeto Saving application form. That means you should know what is the Pag-ibig account in the, let us say, internet. So those are the steps as to how to enroll in the Pag-ibig Impeto Savings Program. And lastly, I would like to thank to those who were able to subscribe the channel, and to those who would like to subscribe but not yet, please do so. Click the bell, like, and share this video to others. Thanks for viewing.